Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Past Question 29. So we have a table showing some organisms, their number in two habitats, habitat W and habitat Y, habitat W and habitat Y. So the question asks is, which of the following statements about habitat W is correct? D dash. A. Absence of lions and antelopes shows that the habitat is terrestrial. B. Presence of tilapia and plankton shows that the habitat is not aquatic. C. Type of organisms present indicates that the habitat is aquatic. D. Absence of grasses indicates that the habitat is terrestrial. Now, we are asked to note habitat W, and from the population of the organisms given to us, we are to determine what type of habitat it is. So let's look at it. Now, option A, absence of lions and antelopes shows that the habitat is terrestrial. Now, it is true that yes, there are no lions and antelopes in the habitat. Now, but this doesn't indicate that the habitat is terrestrial, because if there are no antelopes and lions there, then the habitat is most likely an aquatic habitat due to the absence of terrestrial animals such as the lion and the antelope. So option A is not the answer to this question, as the statement is not correct. Now, option B, presence of tilapia and planktons show that the habitat is not aquatic. Now, similarly, if you have presence of tilapia and planktons, as we have here, planktons and tilapia, they are aquatic animals. And if you have aquatic animals in a habitat, it means that the habitat is an aquatic habitat. So this statement, presence of tilapia and plankton, shows that the habitat is not aquatic, is not the answer to this question, as it is not correct. Now, option C, type of organisms present indicates that the habitat is aquatic. Now let's look at the type of organisms present. You have planktons, you have water flea, you have tilapia, and you have frog. Now all these organisms are aquatic organisms. They are all aquatic organisms, and since they are all aquatic organisms, it is an indication that the habitat is an aquatic habitat, since all the organisms that we find in habitat W are aquatic organisms. So it's an indication that the habitat is an aquatic habitat. So option C, type of organisms present indicates that the habitat is aquatic, is correct and is the correct answer to this question. Now, option D, absence of grasses indicates that the habitat is terrestrial. Now, similarly, if there are no grasses there, it's not really an indication that the habitat is terrestrial, because if there are no grasses in a habitat, it means that the habitat is most likely an aquatic habitat and not terrestrial habitat. So option D is wrong. So as we have rightly established, option C is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.